I'm Ian Barnett. I'm the General Manager at Lakeland Tankers. We build liquid petroleum gas tankers. We also maintain and test liquid petroleum gas tankers and fuel tankers. We've taken on apprentices because we find that they're generally the best long-term solution. We find working with Dudley College really beneficial. Dudley College, they have a pool of apprentices that we then interview and take on. The benefits with this is that they've already started down the engineering path with Dudley College, and when we've enrolled them here at Lakeland Tankers, they've already had a good basic understanding of engineering.
My name's Joe. I'm an apprentice at Lakeland Tankers. I thought an apprenticeship would be the best way because I'm learning and I'm getting paid at the same time. Lakeland stood out to me because I'm not only just welding, but I'm learning a load of different things.
My name's Cole and I'm doing the engineering manufacturing apprenticeship. I chose to do apprenticeship over university or college because it's a lot of experience to get behind me, and if I wanted to do something else, I've got certificates and on paper to show my experience. It's best of both because you get to be hands-on in the workplace, but you can also go to college on our days that we have college, and you can do your paperwork and you can get your knowledge from there, but then also at work it splits up as a balance. If you're thinking about doing an apprenticeship like mine, I'd say go for it because you will learn a lot. Apprenticeship, I can say, is a good thing. I'm glad that I did it.
It certainly seems to be the best way for us to find long-term suitable staff, and the end result is worthwhile.